Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this amazing Mercedes GLA. It's the AMG Sport. Fantastic condition throughout. It's got the front park distance control. It's got absolutely immaculate, unmarked, black diamond cut alloy wheels. 2 brand new tyres. Privacy glass to the rear. It's got obviously the AMG deep spoiler on it, twin exhausts, absolutely gleaming in this sun. It's the 4MATIC. Be careful because they do them in 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. It's 4-wheel drive. So the boot area is in absolutely stunning condition with the parcel shelf. All our cars are videoed and pictured outside for better light, but they're kept inside our indoor showroom for any weather viewing. We've got the beautiful AMG interior, half leather Alcantara red stitch piping, lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Really is in fantastic condition. So you've got paddle shift on the gearbox. Trying to find out. Done 82,349 miles. Just started up. Starts up fantastically, you can hear. It's got the media pack. Let's just see. It's got the reverse camera, climate control, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Really is in lovely condition. Automatic headlights, Bluetooth connectivity. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.